Так, быстро, машина, старт.
Так точно.
Твою мать, быстрее.
Так точно.
Ой, хрен, давай быстро.
Так
быстро,
точно.
Быстро заводим.
Так точно. Так точно.
Твою мать.
Нет. Точно. Да.
I've only been driving for 15 minutes and I am exhausted. I'm a little out of shape, but you know, it's hard to drive this vehicle. I'm as exhausted as poor Dimitri running all over the desert filming. But I will say, sometimes you have to step back and remember what you're doing and what you're filming. And this tank it was in World War II, and highly likely the guy sitting in this seat operating these controls was killed. And who knows how many crew came before him and after him in World War II driving this tank. So very, very lucky, and you know, I feel like one of the luckiest guys in the world to drive this sort of thing. And yeah, it's what's the word I'm looking for? It's a sentimental thing. It's humbling to drive something like this. It's cool, and it's cool to be interested in and step back and look at it that way, but this tank has seen some serious combat. So very cool, very cool.